Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about the carbon chlorine bond length in chlorobenzene and in chloroethane. You know that carbon chlorine bond length in chlorobenzene is smaller than the carbon chlorine bond length in chloroethane. And why? Why the carbon chlorine bond length in chlorobenzene is smaller than the carbon chlorine bond length in chloroethane, and the reactivity of the means, or the you can say the reactivity of the chlorobenzene is lesser than the reactivity of chloroethane. So these are two questions, and what are the reasons? We have to find out the what are the reasons for these two questions, why these observations are seen to us. So we start our discussion about this topic, that bond length comparison between the chlorobenzene and chloroethane, and the order of reactivity between these two compounds, which compound is more reactive. We discuss about this topic. So we start our discussion, and before starting this discussion I would like to remind you that if you do not subscribe this channel, or you are new to this channel, then this time you can subscribe this channel right now. You can subscribe it and hit the notification button to get the new this type of video instantly, notification of the this type of video uploading instantly. So let's start our discussions about the bonding of, or the change of bond length, two types of bond length of carbon chlorine in these two cases of chlorobenzene and chloroethane. See here, in case of chloroethane, the bond chloroethane, this is chloroethane. In case of chloroethane, the bond length between carbon and chlorine is 1.82 angstrom, and in case of chlorobenzene, the bond length between carbon and chlorine is 1.69 angstrom. So generally the bond length in carbon and chlorine in case of chlorobenzene is smaller than the bond length in case of chloroethane, where the bond length is 1.82 angstrom and the bond length is here 1.69 angstrom. The reason is what? What is the reason for decrease in bond length value in case of the chlorobenzene than in case of chloroethane? So we start to find out the reason of the change of bond length. See, in case of chlorobenzene, this chlorine atom, in case of chlorobenzene, the resonance structure of chlorobenzenes are, chlorobenzene forms resonating structures like this. Chlorobenzene can form resonating structure like this. That lone pair is forming a bond, and this one is negative charge. Another resonating structure is formed, and this one is this one. Another one resonating structure is formed. So if we call it 1, it is 2, and it is 3 number structure, and here we can draw the 4 and 5 number structure, okay, for this molecule. Let's next resonating structure for this chlorobenzene like this. Oh. this one is the next resonating structure, that is the fourth structure, and first one is lone pair is forming a pi bond, and next the negative charge is now forming a bond between these two carbon. Here it is again negative charge, this carbon is forming bond between this negative charge, this one is becoming negative in this structure. So the fourth structure is formed. First structure, first carbon is negative, second structure, the third carbon, this carbon is becoming negative, and in the next structure this carbon is negative, and then this one, chlorine is plus, okay, because it is losing the electron pair, okay, this one. So in the next structure, this is the fourth structure, fourth resonating structure of chlorobenzene, and in the next resonating structure, chlorobenzene, the original structure is formed of chlorobenzene. So we are finding here that number 2, 3 and 4, in this structure number 2, 3 and 4, we are seeing that there is the partial double bond character, the double bond character of carbon and chlorine bond. The carbon and chlorine bond is getting partial double bond character due to the resonance hybrid forming of the chlorobenzene. Okay, so due to the resonance hybrid or resonating structures of chlorobenzene, the carbon chlorine bond is becoming a partially double bond character bond. So as a result, we know that double bond is shorter than the single bond. As a result, the carbon chlorine bond length in the chlorobenzene molecule is decreases or the shortens, carbon chlorine bond length shortens than the bond length of carbon chlorine in case of ethyl chloride or chloroethane. Here no such resonance is possible in case of ethyl chloride or chloroethane. So for this reason, the bond length in carbon and chlorine in case of chloroethane is more than the carbon chlorine bond length in case of the chlorobenzene. More this has higher bond length than the carbon chlorine bond in chlorobenzene, because in chlorobenzene the double bond character is formed due to the resonance of the chlorobenzene, but here the resonance is absent in case of the chloroethane. So the bond length is longer than the carbon chlorine bond length in case of the chlorobenzene. So this is the reason why the bond length of the chlorobenzene carbon chlorine bond in chlorobenzene is shorter than the bond length in carbon chlorine of the chloroethane. So this is due to the resonance. Due to the resonance, this kind of shortening of bond takes place. And if we talk about the reactivity of chlorobenzene and chloroethane, you can find that chlorobenzene is less reactive than chloroethane. Why? Because due to the shortening of the bond length in case of chlorobenzene, the chlorobenzene decrease its reactivity because of the shortening of bond length, and for this reason the chlorobenzene is less reactive, or any aryl halide is less reactive than alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is alkyl halides are more reactive than aryl halide, because in aryl halide, due to the partial double bond character of the carbon chlorine bond and the shortening of the carbon chlorine bond, the reactivity of the aryl halide decreases. As a result, the reactivity of chlorobenzene is lesser than the reactivity of chloroethane. So this is the total discussion about the reactivity of chlorobenzene and chloroethane and the bond length, carbon chlorine bond length in chlorobenzene and chloroethane, that why the bond length is more in case of chloroethane and less means bond length decreases in case of the chlorobenzene. So this is the discussions about these two questions. These two questions are very important for exam. These two questions are generally frequently asked questions. So thank you for watching these discussions. If you have any question regarding this discussion, then you can ask your question in the comment section below, and I would happy to answer your question. Okay, so if you find this video is useful for you, then like this video, and if you want to subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe this channel right now.